Hey, what's going on, everybody? TexasNova here. Check this out. I know you guys been following me on Facebook. I know you guys been following me on Instagram. So check this out. My Nova is almost done. I gotta wait to get her shoes on there. Look at that right there. You see that? Let me turn this camera around. Let me show you what we got and what I have done and what I am up to speed with. So let's go check it out. So there you go, man. What do you think? I got some gap issues, which I know, which I have got to address. I got everything back at home. I'm ready to take it home. The only downside is that I'm dreading the damn thing sits so low, but that's okay because I'm gonna overcome that. I know I got a big old Grand Canyon gap right there, which is fine. I got to take that back off because I got my bulkhead sitting in there, and it's got to run to my air conditioner and my heater core. So that's no big deal. That's something I know I'm gonna do. Like I said, I got a gap right there, which that is fine, so I'm gonna take that back off. But coming around the car, everything is looking good. Everything is dialed in. Doors closed pretty good. Got new rubbers in there. They are tight. Here we go. There you go. Pants looking sharp. So, get a lot of compliments on this here. The reason I did this here is because when I get my windows put in, I'm going to have tinted windows. I did not want the red stripe coming up, kind of breaks up the window. So just nice, solid black piece right there. That's why I went ahead and painted that, and around there and up and around. So that's going to look really good. So coming around the back, I got my Fessler LED lights, which I'm kind of stoked about. They're really nice, really solid piece. They are billet aluminum, obviously. Everything, all new markers on all four corners. So let me check out. Now I do got my exhaust cutouts, which are, golly, and these things sit low. I have got to climb all the way underneath there. Look at that right there. That is done by Right Way Automotive and Muffler Shop here in McAllister. So Travis did a bang up job. Holy cow. I couldn't believe it. So now the car's going to sit up a little bit lower, and these are sitting on coilovers, and I do got them sitting down all the way. So they'll come up. Hopefully if I can come up about another inch or so. So that's it right there. I did have to go underneath the axle. Only reason because I got all this yahoo right here, all the 4-link. I've got, let me get my finger in there so I can point it to you. There's my 4-link right there, so I couldn't go above that right there, and I couldn't go in front of the wheel here, so I had to come behind. I couldn't drag this out behind because I had my trans cooler there. Only place I could mount my trans cooler. So, but this is fun. This is going to work out perfect for me. So there's my mufflers. I got Thrush Turbo, nice and quiet when I'm cruising down the highway. When I want nice and loud, shut these off, open up my cutouts. So that is that. I'm not going to start it. So I've got other videos. You guys want to check them out on YouTube. Actually, you know what? I am going to start it for you guys. So sit tight. Let me go ahead and jump in the car and get the keys and everything and turn the battery on. Okay, so there you go. You guys know about my engine. It is a GM LS3, 500 horse from GM Performance. Actually dynoed at 495, so I'm going to go ahead and call it 500. So let me go ahead and get in here. And that right there is my key fob, since I do have keyless. So go ahead, right there, go and press and hold that. Gauges look good. Probably running out of gas here pretty soon. Now I know the camera doesn't do any good, the camera microphone. I had the exhaust open and I had the exhaust closed. You really can't tell. But they are open right now. So I'm really back off, send my rear end back to John Industries. They're going to cut it down and get the sides, because I already got my wheels and tires and everything poured already, and I got a lot of dish on. I got a big dish on that, so that's going to look really good. So, and as well, these are just rollers right here, so they are not going to stay. So, pull that down. There you go. Back in here. Shut her off. There you go. All right. So, all right. Well, there you go, guys. Man, I am so excited about this thing. Long 4 years coming. So there it is. Long 4 years. I got a little bit left. Got some interior parts I got to buy carpet, buy door panels, and my wheels and tires are already here. I just got to, like I said, I got to cut down my rear end and send it back to John Industries, and that should take about a week. And put my front brakes on because right there. My brake calipers are in the way, so that's why I don't have them off, so I'm just running. I'm sorry, I lied. My rears, I don't have rears, I've got fronts. So with them little skinny little tires right there, them rims, they won't fit. So anyway, I'm just running fronts, and I'll tell you what, it is hell, because it wants to pull through them little brakes, man. So anyway, guys, there it is. So you know what? Keep informed. Keep watching. So I'm gonna keep pumping out the videos now to here. Now I got a C10 as well, so I'm gonna be doing some videos on it. So anyway, guys, that's all I got for right now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around. Click and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And there's a little bell. Hit that little icon, that little bell, so that way when I post a video, you guys will get right on it. So anyway, but that's all I got for right now. And as always, drive safe, be safe. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.